pretend to be you.
Okay, just be you
Pagdali,
then.
dire.
Hold on, I'm still setting everything up.
So you mean to say we're already live now?
Actually, you are.
Hi guys, I don't even know where to look at. Unsa man kani camera? Oh, saba.
I have to adjust it.
Why?
Jesus, this never happened before, Mom. It's either you're like the best thing that's happened in the show, or you're also like the worst. So,
Both.
you're both. You're both. So you guys are gonna see the wire today.
Inom na lang ko eh. Baya, dugaya sa dana eh.
Ano lang gaan?
Pagtagay kita dire.
I haven't drank in like a week. Said we were gonna drink in Manila, and then we did not drink. You know, I took a bath twice today.
Wow. That's a miracle.
Yeah, because I had to walk in the freaking rain, yo. Hold on.
Nga, unsa man na? Kuha na ka din ha? Sure din na isa eh.
Online nalagay ko.
Kain sa kayo. Tagay-tagay ta diring online ka.
Why not?
Ang imo be?
What?
Hindi mo.
Oh shit, you've been online for 8 minutes. Oh, okay. So we're officially back online, guys. So sorry for that technical difficulty. There you are. Takuan ko tanaw na eh. So sorry, we had like some technical difficulties on the show, and so we had to do a part 2. So if you already shared the previous podcast, then make sure to share it again so that you can shit, what did I do?
I'll be nice now.
No, everybody knows you're not nice. Hold on. I'm sharing it. This is a stressful job. Plus, I'm kind of drunk already. So,
Ano bitaw ni inom-inom ka? Sa man nagsugo ni mo inom?
well, you what them after all, so I drink when I'm stressing. Okay, take another shot. Another shot because we are doing this thing for real now. I just had to switch.
Okay. So, I think it's better nga tupad ta. Para kibaw sila na pagharatag may age difference at tandahan. Cheers.
By the by, I'm not wearing makeup today, so big difference. Wag gas mo foundation.
Powder naman guna pag sure eh. Cheers.
Cheers, talagi cheers. 1, 2, 3, go.
Namisan.
Sabi,
Okay.
siya pero isog kay sanan.
Di mo guna isugod.
It is pretty isog.
No, it's not.
Alright, so I can't really read your comments right now. Let me see. Okay, so if
So you have to look at the comments. You have to read it.
No, this is a part 2 already. So we already had a part 1. Part 1 failed. Let's do a part 2.
Okay.
Again, because microphones weren't working and then you guys were kind of pissed off about that. So let me do it again. Okay, nag-angry face sila. Pag sorry sa mong fans.
Why would I say sorry? Nakuisa?
Yeah.
Kay?
Because, naguba ang microphone and it's actually kind of your fault because that's never happened before. Okay, say hi to your fans.
Fans, good luod kay na isa. Uy!
Whatever. Hold on, let me adjust the kuan. Okay, so we're on the show today. I had you on the show because I wanted to talk to people who inspired me in life. And I guess if you're a mother, you are automatically your child's inspiration.
Seriously?
And
Automatically? That's why I am here? I don't like that.
fine, you are my inspiration. Fine, you are my inspiration. And we also had a very stressful day, so I decided to have my mom over so we could talk about shit. So,
Okay.
I wanted to ask you a question. Have you ever heard of the game called Never Have I Ever?
Never have I ever, no?
No. Okay, we're gonna play a game.
Sa mukha ni mo, ito mo ko ni mo yung nana. Unsa naman sad na?
Surprise!
Okay.
So today we're gonna play a game. The name of the game is called Never Have I Ever, and it is a drinking game. We've already had 2 shots. You've already had a shot. You've already had a bottle of soju.
Yeah.
And I had like 6 shots of empe, 2 shots of this and counting. But today we're gonna play a game called Never Have I Ever. If you have any questions for my mom, obviously you're gonna have a lot because you're not here for me. You're here for her. Make sure to leave them in the comment section below so that you can hear it. Hold on, let me check if the microphones are working.
That's why I am here.
Okay, here. Microphone's actually not bad today. Anyways, okay, so let's play a game. Rules of the game. Never have I ever. You and me will ask 3 questions each. Tagsa-tagsata. It's actually not a question. It's more like a statement. Sige lang, good. Gawang naka, pero makatry sa kag fun, cool kid things. So, The game is Never Have I Ever.
Okay.
And what happens is I'll make a statement of something I have never done. If you have done it, then you have to take a shot. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, never have I ever with my mother. Let's see how this turns out. Get your shot, Kimurag. Ikaw gyud mahubugan ni.
Hubog.
Okay. So,
Saan man eh?
ako yung, ay, kalay, Okay. So, akong first statement is, we'll only ask 3 questions each because I'm pretty sure mahubog na ta, like, halfway in. Daghana ni mo gishot, uy.
Gamay ra na isa, uy.
Mayabo na. Couch, mayabo sa couch! I kill you!
Kaya anak na lang.
Okay, there.
Daghani mo reklamo, uy.
Of course, what biyak mo nimo. Okay, so, first question of never, or first statement for never have I ever is, hold your shot because I know you're gonna drink this.
Okay.
Never have I ever stolen anything.
Oh?
I've never stolen anything.
Okay.
Like from a public place.
Yung sa may ako ito baga na.
Have you or no?
No? Public?
No, have you just stolen? Period.
Yes.
Okay, take your shot. That's how you play it. If you haven't...
Paging Viola Varela. Grade 1 section.
Sa mga section. Grade 1 pa kakawata na ka.
Eraser ni Viola.
That's not... Okay, Tita Viola sa ninang. Saba dira, I know you stole something else. Which is exactly the reason why I asked it, because I wanted you to share it on the show.
Like what? Unsa man? Like? Ballpen?
No.
Which one?
Manga. Sa STC.
Kanasan?
So, can you tell the story? Na mo shot kay. Ikaw, naka...
Mukha ito. Oy, kung imo kong sigig pa shot nun ganina, what ako ni mo sigig pa inom ganina?
Well, then there wouldn't be any more fun. Okay.
Hubog na ko!
Never, so multi mo, never have I ever nakatakawat ka. So, unsa man yung gikawat?
Which one? The manga?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got suspended for mangoes from the mango tree of STC when I was in high school. We were not supposed to get it, but siyempre, nanas imong atubangan. So, ngano di man imo kawaton, di ba? So, mo to. Okay, unsa pa?
Okay, so this is something... Okay, never mind. I'll say it later. Alright, unsa pa imuha? Okay, now it's your turn. Say something a never have I ever. Something you've never done that you think I've done.
Like what? What are the things that I haven't done? I have done everything and anything. Like what?
Just think of something.
Never have you...
Never have I ever.
Never have I ever... What? Have a facelift.
I'm not gonna drink, obviously, because I've never had a facelift, smart.
Like what?
That's sakto to. But I'm not gonna drink it because I've never had a facelift.
Shut on someone like never have.
Never
you
mind.
ever.
Okay, just think of something in the next round. Okay. So my second question. So my second thing is, wait, hold on. I need to check my notes because I had.
Seriously, isa nga women of inspiration. Nga imo kong gipaan hey natug na unta ko karon. Onya mo niya to question.
Yes, definitely.
What the?
Of course. Okay. Now I know my second question.
Okay.
Second question is, and you'll be very happy to hear this.
What?
Never have I ever snuck out of the house.
Sure din.
Wag yun ko. Never, ever jud ko nakasneak out sa balay.
Ayun, nakagisugtan, makapirme.
No? Kastikto ninyo sa una, buang.
Aba din na.
I've never snuck out of the house ever.
Ang samdito mo inom-inom sa una, magawas ka.
What do you mean? We would drink at home.
High school ni mo.
Yes.
Saba din na.
If ever magtagay ko before, akong pananghid mo kay mulaag siguro og Ayala, SM, na mo ka bihom by 7, so by 7, wasan ako. So, meaning sa'yo kay kung isugod og inom para by 7, wasan ako nila kakabantay. Nakaligo na ko, nakapamerfume, nakabrush ako sa ngipon.
So, meaning to say, nahimo na nako, so ako na sa mo inom ron.
Yes. So, wait, have you snuck out of the house?
Ask Tita Christine.
Wait, so you
No,
have...
I have not.
Shut up, I know you have. Drink it.
Naku, unya na lang good kay hubog na mahubog ko ani.
What's the point?
Dugay kay usa ka oras.
Sige, fine, you get a pass. People are saying hi. Ingon si Zaira, okay na. Si Kimmy is here. Gucci, Roy, Kimmy, Julian, John, And Zaira's online, and Dominic and a lot of people online. Say hi to them.
Hi, everyone!
So, meaning, sneak out yung day kasi
Of
wala.
course, I'm a normal teenager. I was a normal teenager.
What do you call me?
Normal?
Because I've never snuck out of the house.
No, you are really abnormal, Isa. Huh? Why?
Kabutan ako nga bata.
Wala na eh.
Inom na lang ka. Drink for my lies. Okay,
Hindi mo
okay.
daw eh.
Now it's your turn to say. Sige, ba, wait na. That's to see. You see what I did? I
Okay.
said something I knew that I've done. I mean, I knew that I've never done that you
Okay,
did.
never have I missed going to church in a week.
Kanid ako kaya ako kay hapak si mong now.
Oh, say mo, inom ka.
You have missed church like so many times.
Of course not. In a
your
week.
entire life?
Sabay na kayo inom ay.
I will take this shot. So that my even me, Matita Viola, all my ninangs, and all my friends.
Oh,
Never in your entire
Oh,
life.
dili lang sa ng entire life.
Oh, di tanawa. Alam ka sila ko daan sa ako'y
Ay!
mo shot kay I missed church. I stopped going to church.
Basta.
Fine, I'll take the shot for you. Cheers.
Okay?
Okay.
Inom
So
yun
my
eh.
turn. Last na din ako. Because I would really want you to drink. Never have I ever put someone in jail.
Why did I ever put someone in jail?
Yeah, you did.
Like who?
My nanny,
Social hanani.
my babysitter in
Babysitter?
the States. Diba? Kinundong ka na before? Nakikipapiso.
Di man good to sa Amerika good and dire man good to
Kang
good.
Casey, magutong nga yaya. Yeah, but you put someone in jail. You put people in jail. She is a badass.
Me? Puta na ako. Of
Sige
course
na, take a
not.
shot.
No.
Actually, wala ko na hubog. I thought I was drunk, and now I'm not. What a cheat. Okay, your last turn. Last question.
Never have I Kalisod.
Because you've already done everything.
I have done everything, so it's really hard. No, actually I've done a normal teenager. I was a
You-
normal teenager. Pretty hard to say. I never did this or life issue.
So what have you never done? You done it in the butt?
Isa. Luula. Gusto ko iro.
I love you. Okay.
Yan.
Okay, so I wanted to have you over today because I wanted to talk to someone who is truly an inspiration in my life. All right.
Okay,
And
let me
I-
ask why.
What do you mean? Why?
Why?
Why are you an inspiration?
Yes.
Well, basically, you're an inspiration because you're such a baddie. You had me at a young age, and you raised me by yourself for a while, and now you're 40. Can I say?
Why not?
You're 48 years old.
47 sa. Uy, grabe sa na 48.
Ay.
Dungagan pa yung ibu sa katuig.
Fine. You're 47 years old. Ay, sakto? Oh, you're 47.
47.
Hubog na ko. You're 47 years old. You still look like this. People say that I look like you, and honestly, it's kind of a compliment as much as I hate it. But,
That's
you
an
know,
insult on my part. Do you know that?
cut your hair off. I swear to God. But, so I'm pretty happy that you're like my mom and stuff. And you're cool. I get you on the show. You can drink and like you're kind of cool. Yeah. So I like that you're my mom. So you really are an inspiration to me. But anyways, I realize that I constantly talk about you. I post your videos. People like you more than me, but nobody really knows anything about you.
Should they know about me?
They need to know what kind of woman raised me. And so, because you're an inspiration, they need to know what made you the strong, independent, powerful, inspiring woman that you truly are today.
Nosebleeda, ano eh.
Char.
Powerful. Ang saka?
O, era.
Strong.
Anyway,
Nosebleed,
so,
grabe. Lood.
okay, question.
Okay.
Describe yourself as a child.
As a child?
Asa inyong, yeah. Actually, wako kibaw, asa ka first nagpuyo. Like, asa mo nagpuyo before, ingana.
I cannot describe myself as, hindi mo ko na child dugaya.
Imong, describe,
Maabtan tagala sa 12 ani kung as a
short
child.
lang, as a child. Describe yourself as a child. Ayaw, imong life story, mag-MMK ka.
As a child, I had a pretty normal childhood. I was raised to be a normal child. But unfortunately, I grew up not normal. Joke. Yun. Isa pa.
You're pretty